Who wouldn't want a sneak peek into superstar Shahid Kapoor and his wife Meera Rajput's home? The actor who made his debut with Ishq Vishk became a heartthrob with his very first film. But a few films after his debut didn't work well at the box office and failed to impress the critics. With a few hits and a few flops, it's films like Jab We Met, Kameene, Haider and Kabir Singh that are a proof of his versatility. While he is completely shooting for his next film, Jersey, the actor has returned to his family in the interiors of Punjab to spend the rest of the pandemic. His wife Meera has been taken to the gram to share snippets from her luxurious home that has only left us wanting to get a little tour of her farmhouse. We are looking back at all the properties owned by Shahid and a few glimpses into his gorgeous and plush houses. Duplex in Worli. The actor, ahead of welcoming his second child, went on to purchase a duplex at a fancy apartment in Worli that costs a whopping 55 crore. Shahid has apparently purchased the 42nd and the 43rd floor of the 360 West building managed by Ritz-Carlton. Currently, the interiors of the house are being done and the family of 4 are expected to move in their plush new home soon. Intact, Shahid had earlier shared a picture of his new home that was getting renovated. He captioned the post as "Getting approvals from Big Daddy." Juhu House. The actor has been residing in a comfy home in Juhu with gorgeous wooden deck that oversees the Arabian Sea. The couple usually host parties at the deck, pose for Diwali pictures, click the cutest snaps of their kids and share the mushiest snaps with each other. According to an earlier report, this house with outdoor couches and low-lying tables costs around rupees 30 crores. Shahid and Meera took off to a cozy farmhouse in Bees, Punjab to spend the pandemic-induced situation. Meera has been sharing numerous images and videos from the house and we all get to see our cozy interiors with warm color palettes including a massive garden and lush green backgrounds. Apart from these massive properties, Shahid and Meera also invested in a yoga wellness startup Sarva, which focuses on making yoga-based wellness a part of your lifestyle. So what's your views on this? Do let us know in the comments below. Also, stay tuned to Telechakkar for all the latest updates.
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.